Hello, welcome to week 8. We will continue with chapter 14 this week, doing more acids and bases. So it's a lot of like applied acid equilibrium in this first set of videos. And the second set of videos is kind of like still applied acid base equilibrium, but it's a lot more topics kind of. There's not as linear. This is still kind of building on 14-2 and kind of continuing these ideas of weak acid equilibrium and like how much we can push them, how much we can understand that, and how many places we can apply them to like understand acid solutions. And then the second set of videos is a bit more topics like buffers is an idea in acid-base equilibrium, acid-base titration is an application of acids and bases, and then structure-acidity relations are an aspect of acids, like fundamental relationships of acids and acid strength. So a little more topic based here, not as linear building on, but kind of using all the ideas. One of the things, these are all going to use the ideas that we've talked about so far in chapter 14. So still quite a bit of building. Do you want to note that next week we have exam 2? So do want to be on the lookout for that coming up. It's going to be covering chapters 13 and 14. Video will talk about it. There's a review, just like we saw for exam 1. Take a look at that. The other thing I want to note is we're doing this acid dissociation constants lab. So in this lab, you will actually determine the Ka of a weak acid. I do want to note there's a video about determining Ka. So I'm going to walk through an explicit example so you can use that for the pre-lab, use that for the post-lab. I would encourage you to kind of look at that. This is an important idea that I want you to be able to do. It brings together a lot of ideas about acids and bases, so it really is a good kind of test of our understanding of acids, your understanding of acids and bases, and what we can do with them. If you have any questions about anything, let me know. Otherwise, welcome to week 8. This is the halfway point. So it's the 16-week semester. We only do 15 weeks of lectures. So once we're done with this, we are on the down slope headed into the end of the semester. So exciting times. It'll be December and the holidays before you know it. If you have any questions about anything, let me know. Otherwise, enjoy. Welcome to week 8. Bye-bye.